If I were a painting captured on canvas, alone in the portrait I'd stand, and brushstrokes bold, yet soft as a whisper, the work of a feminine hand, caught in the still life, surrounded by shadows, or lost in a background